We live with Aunt Mary. She keeps an old dog. Henry. Mary loves Henry so, she won't let him feel alone. Mary asks Henry to come over. She gives him some food to eat. And Henry says thank you, by shaking his tail. To show his love to Mary. So, he shows his love for Mary. Fly, penguin, fly, said the little mouse. Oh no, I can't, said the penguin. Let me help you, said the seal. You can fly again. Let me help you, said the dog. You can fly again. Little kitty, I just got home. You may go swimming, said the little kitty. You may go skating, said the little kitty. Little dog, I just got home. You may play cards, said the little dog. You may ride a bike, please go, 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 said the little dog.